Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madhu Mishra. I'm an integrated PhD student at IISER Trivandrum, and in this channel I show you my PhD life. I'm in IIT Indore currently and I'm here for a workshop, and today I will show you IIT Indore Library. It's a very huge library with 4 floors and a lot of studies area, and these are the academic buildings. The center one is where we have our lectures, and let's see the library now. In whole IIT Indore, I find library is the most awesome place, and I spend most of my time here when I came out of isolation. So I came to IIT Indore and I got sick for 1 week. I was in isolation, and after I came out of isolation, I spent most of my time in library after the lectures. So let's see the library. This is the place where I'm gonna keep my bag, because as most of the libraries, bags are not allowed inside the library. So I'm gonna keep my bag here and then we will go inside. I'll take my iPad. You can take your laptop and iPad inside without taking your bags. Let's go. Marathi, Sanskrit, Telugu, Kannada, Bangla, Gujarati. These books. Here are some Hindi books, which if you want, you can take it and sit here and read. There are other some animal books, story books, and this is the front of IIT. That's another building. That is the entry part. This fountain, that is the way for the main gate. Let's go. you for watching.
Hope you liked the video, and if you did, like, share and subscribe. I will come with IISER library video very soon. Right now I'm in IIT. The moment I reach IISER, you'll get an IISER library video for sure. It's not as big as this, but the IISER library is under construction. The library is just one floor books, and there is a study place to work, and that's all there is. But yeah, I'll come with the video, I promise. And like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in my next video.